Welcome to part 6 of Let's Learn Calculus. Today we're going to be looking at logarithmic functions and their properties. So in the last video, we learned how to solve equations such as 2 to the x equals 16. But what if we were to try to solve something like 2 to the x equals 34? Right now, we don't have a way to explicitly solve for x. That's why we have the logarithm. If b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, we can write the equation b to the x equals a as log base b of a equals x. The left-hand side is what we call logarithmic form, and the right-hand side is what we call exponential form. And b is called the base. If the base is equal to 10, log base 10 is called the common logarithm and is denoted by log of x. If b is equal to e, log base e is called the natural logarithm and is denoted by ln of x. The reason that I mention these is because log of x and natural log of x are available on almost any scientific calculator. So why are logarithms useful? Well, logarithms have three very important properties. The first of which is the product rule, which states that log base b of x times y is log base b of x plus log base b of y. The second is the quotient rule, which states that log base b of x divided by y is log base b of x minus log base b of y. And the third rule is the power rule, which states that log base b of x to the n is equal to n times log base b of x. Example 1 asks us to use the properties of logarithms to solve 2 to the x equals 34. We can solve this two different ways. The first way is by using the definition of the logarithm to rewrite 2 to the x equals 34 as x is equal to log base 2 of 34. We can also solve this using the common logarithm or the natural logarithm. I'm going to solve it using the common logarithm, but the natural logarithm solution would look exactly the same. So the way that we would do that is we begin by taking the logarithm of both sides of the equation. So we would have log of 2 to the x is equal to log of 34. Now we could use the power rule to bring the x in front, so we have x times log of 2 is equal to log of 34. Now because log of 2 is just a number and log of 34 is just a number, we can divide each side of this equation by log of 2, giving us x is equal to log of 34 divided by log of 2. Example 2 asks us to use the properties of logarithms to solve log base 2 of x squared minus x minus log base 2 of x is equal to 2. We can begin by using the quotient rule and writing log base 2 of x squared minus x minus log base 2 of x as log base 2 of x squared minus x divided by x. Now the equation that we're trying to solve is log base 2 of x minus 1 is equal to 2. Here we can use the definition of the logarithm and rewrite this in exponential form as 2 squared is equal to x minus 1. Solving for x, we have x is equal to 5. And that does it for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next one.